Did you say it in front of everybody? You said it in front of everybody?
Just a minute.
The ashes of the unborn.
Oh my gosh, no. What's in here for real?
I don't remember. You dip, I dip, we dip. Oh, you can use that front eye.
I mean, it's fine. This is a smaller pot.
Girl say, ha!
Yeah, he don't want to be by himself though.
At all. But I mean, he can't just expect them to just live there. Well, technically,
There's space.
Belmont,
Oh yeah, it is his place.
if it stays there,
Yeah, it's not gonna move though. They'd have to do a whole other stuff.
I mean, he can just fix the stuff.
Half apple cider vinegar, half
Not
water.
half.
Did you put half a cup in there?
I put like a third.
You said half a cup.
I did say half, but I didn't.
It's going in here. Water boiling for the potatoes. That's going in the pot too? Or is that just extra brown sugar? Okay.
You gotta have liquid smoke.
Potatoes slightly boiling over. Potatoes are slightly boiling over. Oh, where's the barbecue sauce? I don't understand why she did that like that. Just evil. Just a hit human. He did double cross Dracula though. He did switch up on Dracula though. She did too.
She was off for doing that from the jump. Like, she left when she came in. Once like he did.
Okay. I'm gonna start this and then go get in the shower. So try to do that little pat.
High pressure for 30 minutes, right? Just follow the steps on the box. I use heavy cream instead of milk though. Let's check on it. We're done. Keep scooping.
Oh no, let me try.
After taking it out the Instapot, we're going to pan fry the burn-ins so they can get a little crust on them. Add some barbecue sauce and shake.
Dinner is served.
Things that we find something.